Hey, can we show Daddy your tool bench? Look at your new tool bench. Isn't it pretty?
A circus.
Can you show Daddy how you can drill? Show me how you can drill. Show me your new drill.
A circus.
Hit the triangle.
A circus.
Hit the triangle and it'll play the video.
A triangle.
There you go, triangle. Just leave it alone.
A circus. A circus. A circus.
Okay, well open it and put the circus back in. I thought you wanted to watch something else. Alright, we'll have to take you to the circus soon.
I got it. Yes, I'm making it.
Look at you holding them the right way.
Oops.
You have to lay it in there. Good girl. You have to put it away.
Thank you.
Hey, can you drill while it's cool? Drill.